Oh, what you doing inside? Get out of it. There is actually a gooseling there. So we have Buff Orpington ducks, and they are yellow, and they supposed not to fly, so that was why they were chosen. And then we have Sevastopol geese. There is two types. One is flat-chested and one is curly-chested, and they look like just like me in the morning, all curl up and fluffy. And again, I chose them because they cannot fly, so they stay in the paddock, and they're very good guard dogs. They really, you can't really go very close to them. You know when somebody's coming up. And yeah, their feathers are missing the center part, so it's all fluffy, and they use them to make duvets, and they can use a lot more of the feathers as well. But I just like them, and we have just one gooseling there. They don't breed very easily, which is fine. I don't really want to. Leave it, Ziggy, come out. Oh, that one goes under. No! The cockerel are beautiful, aren't they? There is too many in here, but